Students, let's move on to problem solving in chemistry, episode number 3. Problem solving is very important for you to choose the best colleges in Tamil Nadu. For example, Madras Medical College is about 200 years old, and that is the best well-known college throughout the world. If you want to get to Madras Medical College, you must learn to solve problems, and that is why we are taking this exercise. So let's start the questions first. Moving on to the first question in electrochemistry. Standard electropotentials for Sn4 bar Sn2 couple is plus 0.15 V, and that for the Cr3 bar Cr couple is minus 0.74 V. These two couples in their standard state are connected to make a cell potential will be option A plus 1.19 V, option B plus 0.89 V, option C plus 0.18 V, option D plus 1.83 V. Tough question, but please do attempt. Let's move on to the second question. The conductivity of 0.20 M solution of KCl, potassium chloride, at 298 K is 0.0248 S centimeters minus 1. Calculate its molar conductivity. So let's use the formula. Option A, 124 S centimeters square moles minus 1. Option B, 130 S centimeters square moles minus 1. Option C, 150 S centimeter square moles minus 1. Option D, 200 S centimeter square moles minus 1. Third question, electrochemistry. The cell in which the following reaction occurs: 2Fe3 plus aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous plus gives 2Fe2 plus within bracket AQ plus I2 within bracket S. E0 cell is equal to 0.236 V at 298 K. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy. Option A, minus 45.548 kJ slash moles minus 1. Option B, plus 45.548 kilojoules over moles minus 1. Option C, plus 54.548 kilojoules moles minus 1. Option D, minus 54.58 kilojoules over moles minus 1. Let's move on to the fourth question. This is a fairly easy question. Let's move on. The charge required of reduction of 1 mole of manganese oxide MnO4 minus to MnO2 is option A 1F, option B 2F, option C 3F, option 4 4F. Electrochemistry, fifth question. A current strength of 3.86 A was passed through molten calcium oxide for 41 minutes and 40 seconds. The mass of calcium in grams deposited at the cathode is within bracket atomic mass of calcium is 40 grams over moles and 1 F, that's equal to 96,500 C, close bracket. Option A 2G, option B 3G, option C 4G, option D 5G. Sixth question. Ionic conductance at infinite solution of AI3 and SO4 2 minus are 189 and 160 MHO centimeters square, equivalent minus 1. Calculate the equivalent and molar conductivity of the electrolyte A12 within bracket SO4 close bracket 3 at infinite dilution. This is a little bit difficult, but let's find out. Option A, 858 MHO centimeter square EQ minus 1. B, 758 MHO centimeter square EQI minus 1. Option C, 658 MHO centimeter square EQ minus 1. Option D, 558 MHO centimeter square EQ minus 1. Last question for the day is 7th question. 0.1 m copper sulfate solution in which copper electrode is dipped at 25 degrees centigrade. Calculate the electrode potential of copper within bracket E0 is equal to 0.34 V close bracket. Option A 0.31 V, option B 0.32 V, option C 0.33 V, option D 0.34 V. That's it. Let's solve the problems. Answers will be tomorrow. All the best. You can become a doctor. Thank you.